how to speed up your Windows 10 performance. To enhance the performance of your Windows 10 system, consider implementing the following strategies and methods which I'm going to show you. Very first thing is that just go and restart it. If you see that there's option restart plus update and restart or update and shut down your PC, make sure you update it. Now disable startup programs. So right click on task manager, open your task manager here. Now it will open up here, go to the startup app. Now in the startup app, it will show you each and every application which is enabled. For example, browser assistant. So I want it disabled because it just run in the background, right? So it takes a lot of power and it consume in the background. So make sure you always disable this up, right? And here, for example, almost my all the application is disabled, which is not necessary, but some of are necessary. For example, health sister race, it's really important. My Asus smart display control, it's really important, that's why it's enabled. But disable all the other stuff. For example, opera, sorry, update, and this is a Discord, this is a BlueStack, Epic Games, Steam. So it doesn't need them regularly, and that's why I just stopped them from running. Now, third thing is that perform disk cleanup. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool. For example, right click on it and let's open here. Now go to the PC and right click on it. Now here you will get this option of show more option. Now go to the properties. Now here in the properties you can clean up this stuff, right? So if there is a very less space available, right, you will get option to compress the drive to save disk space here, or you can also use to remove all the unnecessary files from your system. Now change, you can also do one thing, open run, right? So this is run here, open it up. Now you have to just type percentage temp percentage, click on OK, select all the files. Now right click on it and just go and click on delete. Skip all these files which is not getting deleted, and don't worry, these are temporary files, so it's already been deleted, but it's saying a little bit space here. Again do the same thing, for example, right? So here, but this time remove the percentage sign. Now click on continue, select all the files, right click on it and just delete this, and skip which is not getting deleted. Right, now everything is done. Let's get back to desktop here. This is recycle bin. Also empty your recycle bin right now. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of 3 to 4 GB of temporary files in my system. Now it will be really good. Now restart your system once again, and this time it will work perfectly fine. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.